Did you know the moon has its own version of earthquakes? They're called moonquakes. And just like earthquakes on Earth, these quakes shake the moon's surface. But here's the twist. Moonquakes are caused by Earth's gravitational pull. As the moon moves through these tidal forces, it experiences quakes that can last up to an hour. Imagine feeling the ground shaking for an hour straight. That's what happens during a moonquake. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not as still as it seems. Subscribe for more incredible facts.